Dear friends, as stated just now by the Honorable CM of Assam, Dr. Mansukh Sarmaji, on his invitation, we have come on behalf of the state of Meghalaya as the government of Meghalaya to discuss three very important and crucial issues. Assam and Meghalaya in the past have demonstrated that we are very open to discuss different issues. Problems will always be there, challenges will always be there. What is important is that we must discuss and try and find solutions to the problems. Today is another example of that commitment that is shown both by the Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. As stated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, when it comes to the project of Kulsi, it's a project which is clearly a win-win situation for both the states. Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together as also a symbol of our Assam and Meghalaya friendship, that we will try and move this project forward. And in principle, we have decided that the work will starting with consultation with the people living in those areas. Regarding the issue of the floods in Assam, it's a major concern. As we know that in the last many days and months also we've seen that flood has been an issue in Assam, and rain also is playing, of course, a very critical role in terms of climate change. So the challenges are much more than what was before. And hence it is important now that both the states must put their heads together and find a solution. While Assam faces the challenge of the floods that are coming in, Meghalaya also has got its concerns in terms of the different economic activities, livelihood activities, and overall economic growth, as mentioned by the Assam Chief Minister. And hence, how could we work together so that we are able to find a solution to minimize the impact of the flood in the city of Guwahati, and yet at the same time be able to address the different concerns that are there for the people of Meghalaya. We have decided to work together. We have decided to approach NESAC to do a detailed study in terms of the entire satellite imaging, whether it is of the different forest area, whether there's a different water flowing, whether it's the different areas of water logging. Once this entire detailed study is done in the next 3 months, we will then approach agencies like the IIT Roorkee to further then break that analysis into actual steps that we could take to find a solution that would be able to implement for both the states and be beneficial for both the states, vis-a-vis reduce the flood problems in Guwahati to a large extent, and at the same time take care of the concerns that are there for the state of Meghalaya, especially when it comes to the overall economic development. So I'm very happy with this way forward, and as always, we are all committed to make this. On the issue of border, as mentioned by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that we had signed a historic agreement and MOU for the 6 areas of differences, and now that we are very close to actually finalizing the pillars, small issues are there which need to be resolved, which we have discussed in detail today, and I'm happy to inform you that most likely by the 15th of August, or rather before the 15th of August, we will be able to resolve and finalize the actual pillars in the different, in the 5 areas of differences before the 15th of August, which, as I said, will be a major milestone and another a strong testament of the friendship between Assam state, Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. And I once again thank the Chief Minister of Assam, his entire cabinet and his officials for having invited us and also for taking the lead in ensuring that issues like these can be resolved, and once again reaffirm our commitment to always work together to find solutions so that these difficult problems can be resolved once and for all. Thank you very much.